Hey everyone, in this video I will show you guys how to make a working tank in Minecraft. So let's get started. So let's first look at the necessary components that we need to build a tank. The first one is green wool, second one gray wool, followed by cobblestone, cobblestone stairs, railway tracks, a stone button, stone brick slab, water bucket, oak sign, um, stone pressure plate, infested stone bricks, stone block, and cobblestone wall. First, place 6 gray wool here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then leave a 3 block gap. 1, 2, 3. Place it here. Again, 6 of these. Perfect. Now, place 4 green wool on top of the gray wool on both sides here. Now, take out your stone button and then place them all over here as shown here. Perfect. Now place the railway tracks here on top of the green wool. Perfect. Now take out the cobblestone and then place them here. Then cobblestone stairs, just follow me. Okay. Yeah, place them like this. So just click on shift and right click. Yeah. And then you can remove the cobblestone here. Do the same thing here too. Right. Oops. Shift and right click. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. So now take out your stone block. I'm going to remove cobblestone for now. And then place them here. Perfect. Then we'll remove this cobblestone stair because we want to shoot there to the rainforest side. So now just place stone blocks here in the side, and then here we need to put a dispenser. So let me just get a dispenser. Yeah, there it is. So let me take off the grave track. So place the dispenser here and then cover it off with a few cobblestone stairs. Yeah, there it is. No, I think, yeah, perfect. Oops, yeah, I think I messed up there. Okay. Perfect. Now let's place a oak sign here. Okay, I don't want it. Okay, and then let's place. Okay, let's some water here. So the reason I put an oak sign here is that so that the water does not escape from the tank, because we need the water to stay inside. All right. So get your stone brick slab. Place 2 here, 1, 2, and then 1 here. Perfect. Take out your stone pressure plate. I'm going to remove the green wool for now. Then yeah, just place it there. Now just remove the uh, cobblestone stair here. and then place. Okay, just take out your cobblestone wall. Sorry, not your wall. Take out the infested stone bricks. Yeah, sorry, I'm starting too much. So yeah, just place that there, and then your cobblestone walls. Just place 5 of them. One, two, three, 4, 5. So that's perfect. So yeah, gives you the tank look. Yeah, and then now, sorry, just remove the stone pressure plate for now, and then just get 64 fire charges. Yeah, just get 64 of them. Perfect. Then right click on the dispenser, place them there, and then put your stone pressure plate back. Alright, so our tank's done. So let's just test the tank. And it works. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a like, and also if you need any help with the build, just comment down below the comment section and we'll get back to you. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.